Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be showing you how to close your Walmart account. If you want to permanently close your Walmart account, then the first thing to do is to open a preferred web browser. In the URL box, type in walmart.com and press enter on your keyboard. Also make sure that you're signed into your Walmart account, and once you're in, from the main homepage, click on your profile icon or your name at the top right corner. Now select Account from the list and then scroll down and click on the Help option under Customer Service. Once you get to this page, scroll down and click on the Chat with Us button. Now an automated chat window will appear in the lower right corner. Type in "I want to delete my account" and search. Now it will present you with a list of options. Click on Close Account option, and then the customer service chatbot will ask you to call on this particular number on the list. Simply go ahead and call on the number, and then you can request to delete your account for Walmart. Express your desire to delete the account, and you should also be ready to provide necessary information including your email address, password, and phone number. The agent will warn you that you won't be able to log in or make purchases with the account once it is closed, and if the information is correct, your account will be deleted. So that is how you will be able to close your Walmart account. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.